Alright guys, we'll be sublimating a school bag for your children. To sublimate this item, please take out this part of the bag so you can strap that off the bag. So you would leave that flat on the press. So for this we'll be using the Galaxy Hobby Press. To get rid of any moisture, please just preheat the item for like 5-10 seconds. So you just place your design evenly on top of it. Have your design lay that flat. Cover with some Teflon sheet. Avoid any scorch marks or burning. To do this, we'll be using 180 degrees for 60 seconds. Alright, just wait for the item to cool down a bit, and then there you go. That's your design, and you just attach this onto the back. Side.